Islamic Boarding School for Girls in Cikarang.
Now, today, there's a big annual event in our school that will be held on 1st of November until 3rd of November. So just for your information, this is the last day for our event.
Oh wait, we forget to introduce ourselves. My name is Aura Sofa.
My name is Dina Reina.
And my name is Fanya Rafa.
Hello guys, we as the Quran Big Family, we call this event MHKN. There's many kind of competition in this event such as Tilawatul Quran, Hifzul Quran, Fahmul Quran, and many more.
Now, we will invite you to join us and look around of our school.
First, when you want to come to our school, you will find
The beautiful get humor like them. Assalamualaikum.
How are you today? I'm fine.
And this is the main street of our school.
This is the main street of our school. We call it Jadis or Jalan Nusantara because when people want to come to our school, they must through this street first, and you can find the big or beautiful company here.
Like this, you can look here. This is created by our students in here.
Of course, I think it's a beautiful and amazing art from our students. Now you have to
Look the big main stage there. Come on, follow me. And here, made of my beautiful teachers. Waalaikumsalam.
Selamat ya.
Hai, hai, hai. This is the 12th grade that wear a blue veil. You can look, there's many of audience. Let's check it out there. You can say something to our audience. Just a more little.
Where did you come from?
I'm from Cikarang.
From Cikarang. Oh,
With 10th grade girl.
and forget.
Say hi to the audience.
Because so many students here, right? So you forget
Forget
all.
us. Next day, I say something. Motivation.
Motivation.
For all of the students in Indonesia.
That student from Indonesia and Indonesia. Good luck, good luck, good luck.
Thank you, everyone.
So you can even we are at the next station of our event.
This is the opening of our grand closing. Because today is the last day
So
in our
amazing
event.
stage.
Iya.
You know, I'm so happy when I through Hinduism because I want to family.
This is made of our younger sister.
Hi, say hi. Yes, they are saying they are so happy for our event.
And there's the main spot in our school that later this above the and people come here will take a picture there. Yeah, if you come here you can take picture there. Let's go.
And you can see in other lenses there's a big banner. There is 4 students who get a Tabis reward. This is the reward, the more reward for their achievement.
It's the main building of our class. And there's a kitchen for us, dinner, breakfast, and then there's
The lunch.
There's our bedroom, our this mineral water from the right?
And he
Proud to be the Daku student, you know. I'm so proud to be the Daku student.
right here.
So many freezer. Oh my god.
Come on, take it out here.
Many of
Is this yogurt first?
This yogurt and
This yogurt and there's a milk.
a meal. Okay, there's a sponsor for you. But
Yes, Israel is our market.
And here made of snake here. Snake.
a delicious snake.
And of course, come
This
on.
is Kaiser. Oh, see.
Oh my gosh.
This is our Daku Tyler when student have got trouble in our
In
day
the
dress
dress or the uniform, you
They will
can
come to
Do
Daku
Daku
Tyler.
Tyler.
So many
That we're so rich, you know.
Yes,
Yes.
Okay,
Uniform like.
This
This is the uniform
from
from
to
Senior
high school
students.
and this is there are a blue uniform for junior high
Junior
school.
school. Yes,
and
yes.
clothes.
and these dress for their in daily activity.
Yes.
You can buy cap and Daryl could answer, I think. Daku is so rich, you know.
And you can buy
No,
it.
it's take me like this.
And you can see this. This also you can buy a book if you're boring. I think.
This is our father.
Ustaz Yusuf Mansur.
So this one's here.
And
And
I ever read this book. He is, if I not forget, he is a student from Daku Tangerang, right?
Right.
Yes.
He's
What's
a
your
great
name?
boy, you know.
And this is our uncle.
No,
Ustaz
it's our
Rawasani.
Yes.
I'm a big fan of him, you know. She's handsome.
So we will go to our canteen. You want to join with us? Yes, of course. Our friends from Nashis is want to
show the performance.
So the student who's watch this event have to quiet like that. It's so amazing. You can see, you have to see, you have to see.
You're a talented girl in singing.
They have a good voice, I think. I can't sing. I can't. See,
And
but
you can see this is our candy. There's many food in there.
Spicy chicken is there. I like spicy chicken in here. It's so delicious.
so many traditional food in our canteen like that.
Ketoprak.
This is our favorite room
People
in here.
wortel that
Because wortel that will become
some student when they meet
Miss
our parents, they will
go in there.
To Daku laundry if you want to wash your clothes. Clothes, you know.
drink it us. This pop rock, but
But it's closed now. We come to here to morning to only, and this place closed.
there's that one, but still closed. I'm sorry. There's wait. Hi, mom. So this mom.
This is Chendol, you know, you can look it
Chendol.
here.
This is
This is Alex. So I like
Channel is traditional drink from our country, Indonesia. Oh, and shomai.
Yeah, 10,000 rupiah.
Oh, shomai is 10,000 rupiah,
and the
Chendol
chendol
is
is 5,000 rupiah.
maybe this canteen will be open in 10 o'clock.
Yeah,
This is the hours class for junior high school.
Junior high school and senior high school.
When I leave school, you know, I want to swim in here, but this is just for fish. Oh my gosh. This is the beautiful view of our school. Green area in here.
It is our garden.
Our garden. It's a beautiful garden, right? Sometimes
trees
we
growing
eat in their in garden. And look, there's a pool, a fish pool.
I want to swim in here, you know, but it's just for fish.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Fishing here, I think the fish in there. Because look in there. Yeah, you can look orange fish.
I'll swim here with the frog swimming there.
You can look a beautiful house here. Yes, it's a
This,
simple house.
Our chief live in there. Our chief is Ustad Sabri Abdul Rizal. I'm a big fan of him too. She's so great. Oh my god, so and he's so funny too.
They have
He
five
has
children.
5 children.
Two children in boarding school and 3 children.
He's a girl, you know. They're so beautiful, of course.
I like
Yes,
his
the
wife.
wife is
So
so-
very
because
kind.
he's Uma.
Yes, Uma is very kind. Uma is very patient to
Fashionable,
us.
right?
Yes.
Very fashionable, very...
She's so
Patient,
talented.
fashionable, patient.
Yes.
Patient.
She's so talented, you know.
Yes.
I'm a big fan of both of them. Oh my gosh.
I don't know, but because Uma and Abu not teaching us, they teaching.
They teach us about the leadership, how to be patient to live in here.
No, wait. I think in school, Uma and Abu is teach us Dirosa, but I don't know what Dirosa.
Because they don't
There's a
teach our grade.
for yes.
This big rabbit, I like him. Abu very like rabbit, you know.
We're like animal.
He take care of them. It's so cute.
You can see a line of air.
Yes.
Sometimes students.
Students, when bored, we can use this and play this archery.
Sometimes they play this archery on Sunday. I think Sunday, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Sunday or Saturday.
Sunday or Saturday because there's what?
No.
There's no
No
school.
even yes. There's no school.
Okay.
Not yet.
Oh,
What? There's no archery.
No archery.
okay.
So there's a small place. We call it Sound. Red Sound.
It's a place for halakha, for Raja Quran, for Zada Quran here.
Yes. Sometimes we talk with our friends, do a fun functions in here.
And we eat together in here. So it's so fun.
It's so beautiful place. I like this place. I like this place in. I don't know. Where is Spanya?
Really, it's fun. Yeah.
Where are you?
Yeah.
She's here.
I know what they're doing.
Please catch this rabbit, you know. Just stop it there.
I want to catch a rabbit.
Him. Oh my gosh. Come here, come here. Oh my gosh. Like it's so good.
Let's go.
Oh,
this is the big rabbit.
Big black
So cute.
rabbit.
It's hard to catch him, you know.
So could try.
cute.
Oh,
Abu
this
have.
I will have.
I'll be very like rabbit. Oh my gosh.
She's so aggressive.
Come on. So
Say bye bye to audience. Say bye bye. Yeah.
There's so angry.
Bye-bye. Kita lapor.
Hi, Shu.
You should fail. In this room, there's so many little child. Look, like he, like her.
Hi, man.
And I don't know. I think
This is child or daughter.
a kindergarten. You know,
But I like it. So many children.
should select the children. Yes.
I like you.
There's
So
so many.
many our children,
Teacher,
son
children.
and daughter.
Yes.
No, just they just
Playing
in
here.
Okay.
Those.
And the other child are
Gordon.
take care
by
Our sister
teacher.
Rosdaku or our fresh graduate
graduate
teacher. Okay, let's go.
So look at this is many of trees in there, but I'm not sure yet what kind of these trees.
This is parking area.
Yes. And behind me is we are called this is no Saung Pabudi. Saung Pabudi. For sale, old things.
Yes, also but I think it's really good. Because I think this place is so far from canteen,
For canteen, for our dormitory.
So not many students come here.
I think so. I think student is so lazy for to be here. Yes, here. That's true.
There's look at that. There's so many pictures in there, but I'm not sure yet
What kind of trees is this? Is it the guava tree?